on backwards? Nope. Okay, let's see. Probably not. Whatever. Okay. Cool. Stream is running. You can't see me yet on Twitch. Oh, there I am. Is that encoder overloaded? Let's see. Does it look laggy to you? No, it's not encoder overloaded, I can tell you that. Maybe it's, oh, it's the audio. It's trying to play audio, but the audio's messed up. Does my audio even work? I hope so. It probably doesn't work, does it? Yeah, it doesn't work. Oh my god, man, why is the audio so messed up? That's so annoying. I don't know how to fix this other than restarting my computer. Okay, what if I restart my wire app? Maybe that would work. Does Firefox audio work? No. Audio doesn't work. Okay, well, more powerful than the current recommendation. Okay, I'm gonna try switching to wire plumber. And it removes that one. So let's see. Maybe it'll do fantastic. My audio might break and I might have to restart my computer, but that's okay. Because it's not working at the moment. Okay. Audio's not working. Okay, well, audio's working. Interesting. My cameras are backwards. Am I really gonna have to restart that camera, man? I might have to restart the stream, even. again. Man, really? You're really gonna do this to me? Well, there it is. I would love to, like, use it, you know? I wonder if I have pipe wire capture. Let's see. Nope. No pipe wire. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, well, now the camera's working. Well, let's make a sandwich. You, me, and the mayonnaise. Man, why? Ain't nobody saying nothing. The cheese smell. It smells weird. Smells the best the first day I open it. Even one day later, it starts smelling weird. But it still tastes good. Got here in time for the sandwich. You would have been late if my audio didn't break, or like I had to restart my computer and then restart OBS to make the audio work. I changed my audio session manager. Maybe that'll help it work better. Technical difficulties have resulted in you being in here in time for sandwich making. I'll let you view the elegance of the sandwich while I put the ingredients back in the fridge. Look at that chair. The salami is perfectly spaced, incredible. It comes in the package like that. I think I'll start from this side this time. All right. Okay, well, let's see if I have any notes on what to do. Did I do that? No. Hash and cash. I have this comment to hash and cache equations for Lucas platform, moving platform optimization. Hash and cache, baby. Wait. You can hear multiple microphones. Both of my microphones are piped into the audio. It's because of this. Now it's just the main microphone. Idiot. I thought I crashed it. Okay, this thing is video. I wish, like, it looks really cool. Like, I want everything to work using Pipewire. You just woke up? Maybe an hour or 2 hours ago. The sandwich is crying. I can tell by, oh yeah, the raspiness, raspy voice. Hey, bow wow. Okay, well, we're looking at code. I'm just gonna join the game because it's like a joy to play now. I'm just gonna play the game because, like, it's actually fun. And I need to figure out what I need to do, like find the missing. Did it remember the volume? Oh, it didn't. Oh well. E. Okay, the camera slaps. Camera blender. I can make that work. Or try to, at least. Chat in bhop was broken. What do you mean was broken? Desync fix? No. Server-side verification is not active right now because I changed the way the scripts work. Oh! 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 So we're back to having, like, the game not work mostly. And I'm, like, adding back features. And desync will be one of the features that I add back. But the whole reason why I broke the game is to try to reduce the amount of desync. Because basically what I did is I made it so that all the physics is event based, and it's an event chain all the way down. It says like client frame, and then the frame is like, okay, I need to run a physics frame. Okay, I need to run I need to create the, I don't know, world state. Okay, I need to do this. I need to do this. I need to do this. And it all happens like in a chain of events. Rather than it's like on events on a timeline, and then it's like playing back a timeline. There's no timeline in this real time. So it's kind of going against my idea from before where everything is timelines. But I will be using timelines where I need them. Like desync will need to have a history and then compare the history to the server timelines that get sent. Man, it's so nice when you can play the game. I love playing the game. Background music is louder? How? What? Oh no, Roblox is in other now. Okay, that switched. That switched just fine. Why is it loud? Like, usually it's fine because it's wait. Is it because my microphone gain is turned down? No. I had the microphone set up properly. Okay. Well, okay, I don't know why the music is so loud and why the microphone is so quiet. Too far. No, that it should be clipping, but it's not reaching the full potential. The microphone is just quiet for no reason. Why would it be quiet for no reason? Maybe it's the nodes are like multiplying the volume in a bad way. Ma'am, the reason I set up the microphone like this is so that I don't have this problem. The microphone is like half volume for no reason. See how there's two audio channels coming out of one? That's usually what causes the problem. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can find stuff. Configuration. Yeah. Okay, you literally can't. Wah. Look, this meter should go all the way up to here. Wah. But it goes to here. See, if I tap this one, Ah! It goes all the way up. But you can't hear it because it's not recorded. But this one, bah! What the heck? It's so quiet. Wait, why is it? What? It was turned down. Bah! Now it's half volume. Okay, bah. Yeah, okay, it's working. It's working. It's working. Okay, it was turned down. Why was it turned down? I found the problem. Now we can turn the music back up. Cool. Okay, well, I found the problem. Is because the microphone was turned down. I don't trust this anymore. Because like someone was like, it feels weird, and then I thought it felt weird, but now I think it doesn't feel weird, and I don't trust like that. Oh, I actually made that? No way. I just gained a little bit. I was like, what if I can make that? Okay. So today, my goal will be make camera punch work. Oh, yeah. Well, that'll probably also happen at the same time. And maybe I can look at networking and think about it. Well, that's desynchronized. Well, there we go. There's another thing I can look at. My feature. You've got a feature? Well, it's a good thing you dropped in. I don't even remember what it is. But I do remember talking to you about it. You picked a good timing because I'm just sort of deciding what to do. I don't really know what to do. Usually I will tell myself the next day what to do, but I haven't done that. It's reducing sensitivity on the y-axis. Oh, that's easy. I'll do that in the main. I'll tell you what. I'll make an update for the main game. All right. Oh god. Oh god. It's gonna be in the. Oh god. The moment script. How long is it? That's only 2,000 lines. I thought it was like 5,000. Tiny script. Okay. Let's see. Sensitivity. What should I call it? So your sensitivity controls this way, and then it would be like vertical sensitivity multiplier or something, but that's like super long. Oh no, the music. Oh, it's an ad. Skip. Did it work? Yeah, still in music. Awesome. Beep, beep, boop, 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 pew. That's the music right now. Okay. All right, we don't need frozen sensitivity. We can just set the... Oh my god, really? I don't really like this song. Not gonna lie. There's no track list. That sucks. Okay, this is gonna be called sensitivity vertical multiplier. That's like the most descriptive name I can come up with. Do you mean you can use a separate sensitivity per pivot axis?
Excuse me, sir. When you said yaw, did you mean that you could use a different sensitivity per pivot axis?
It's kind of cringe that I said that. Alright, it's now called pivot axis pitch activity. Lol, no. vsens mol. Alright. And the default value is gotta say, I don't like this song. I must tell you. So the camera, the physics, the spectating, the player settings, like everything is baked in this one script in this game. It's horrible. You have to edit the whole thing every time you want to change. You as in me. Every time I want to change something. Okay, where's the freaking camera? I think I looked for like DX or something. XD. There it is. Alright, so we got the X coordinate. So camera sensitivity, so that's the sensitivity coefficient. And then here, all I do is do times camera dot vsens mol. Done. That's the update. Except not. I have to like actually do it. Okay, so I have to find sensitivity. Alright, I really don't like talking. Please skip. Please skip. Please skip. Alright, we're here. Sensitivity. Sens. Sensitivity. Sens. Hello. Alright, so Uh, you can just set your sensitivity to anything you want. Okay. Stop having weird lyrics, man. I don't want to hear it. All right, so this is going to be called. God damn, man, skip. I hate not having song timestamps. Alright, so this is going to be called vsends mall. And the command is going to be... I really don't want to hear the audio, the vocal samples. I'm really... Okay, skip the entire mix. Next mix. vsends. This is going to be called vertical sensitivity. Multiplier. It's long as heck. I will print out the whole thing because I'm a nice guy. Desire to touch. Desire to touch. Yes, the two-note music. It's perfect for me. I've always told Trey that I only listen to music with two notes. D&B. Yeah. It's good enough. Okay, well, there it is, folks. I still have to... Where's the damn... movement? Alright, I still have to set the default. So it's up here. There it is. Really? Where's the sensitivity, man? Okay, this is... Oh, there it is. All right, there it is, folks. New feature. Let's test it. Okay, we go to dev. Hell yeah. Shut him down. Huge feature. Took multiple days. What is commander? That's my helper type for command arguments that just tells the command function which user is using the command without them having to tell the command me or something like /tp me. I don't know, like it just auto fills in the data basically. It's the commander who the person who's running the command. And Roblox is not working. Classic Roblox. Okay. Okay. It just decided to do that. Alright, so mouse is in, and then I go vsend 2. And the server isn't responding. It's trying to rate limit the chat. My censor text failed. Roblox failed my censor text. Roblox is being weird. Roblox is always weird. Chat 178. So this is a classic error that I can't really do anything about because it's supposed to have the sensor level value. It's supposed to calculate it right here. Like, it literally writes it in. And it can't find it, so something is causing it. Alright, sense, vsense. What does this, oh, yeah. That's really hard to program when it's doing this. Alright, well, let's see if we can do vsend small. Actually, I think it's just vsends 2. Oh, look at that. Wait, is it working? I can't tell. All right, vsends 8. Now we'll be able to tell. Yes, it's working. vsends 0.5. How about that, eh? vsend 0.02. It's a multiplier. So like it says your vertical sensitivity is 0.5 times whatever your horizontal sensitivity is. So you change both. Maybe I should change the command of vsend small because like that's not clear. Maybe I'll just add a command as well called vsense, and it sets the absolute value. $57 years. All right, so now you can set the absolute sensitivity, which sets the multiplier, or you can set the multiplier value. Okay. So that should be a bit clearer. What sandwich is that? What sandwich do you think? I have to wait for the damn everything to load. Something. It's my standard sandwich with salami, Havarti, mayonnaise, and bread, sourdough bread. So this is like really old and bad code. All the new code, it just fails gracefully, whereas this will just spam errors in the console. Oh my god, I love salami. Salami is so tasty. There we go. Now we're ready to use commands. Alright, we're gonna do vsense. Tell me. Okay. Is that an error? I can't even. Oh my god. How does that happen? It's a new damn server. Oh my god, I have to wait again because I pressed spacebar. I actually can't be asked. I'm going to test on main. I can't be asked to test on the test place. Has revoke. All right. What does it say in the server? In the server console, when I say vsense, it says the key was not loaded before being accessed, and then it says hashtags. Amazing, great game. Your vertical sensitivity multiplier is 1. Amazing. vsense. Okay, what's my sense? vsense 0.1. All right, so now I go like this, it's like wow, and then I go like this, and it's like wow. And then I can reset it to 1, and everything's fine. Amazing. Well, there you go. Start server? No. Oh my god, the sensitivity's horrible. I'm trying to use the restart hotkey. Is it possible to give in-game currency? I will not be giving the earned currency, I will be giving out the earned currency, but the premium currency is purchase only. So there's going to be a second currency type. It's like Tix and Robux, except it's more like RuneScape, like bonds, membership stuff. I'll give out currency for map completions. So like you just complete the map to earn currency, but you're subject to a market trading value, free market. All right, well there it is. That's the new feature. All right. There's the update. Enjoy. Hork, hork. Will you be able to trade items and have a cool limited collection inventory? Real? Yeah, okay. Okay. And the first response to an update to the game is updated again. Classic. Add e-girls to be to the shop? No way. You just buy an e-girl in the Roblox B-Hop shop, and then she just shows up at your door. Poggers. All right, what is this? Oh yeah, it's that. Seem to be needing this. All right, let's go back to SSV. Ain't no such thing as the movement script. Yeah, right. I was gonna make the camera work. So I already have a camera handler, but it doesn't do anything? Why doesn't it work? Uh, uh, okay, gotta close all this garbage. Playback context. Okay, so I know it's calling this function. Why doesn't it? Okay, it's the playback context camera. Is that why? Yes. Okay, so it's it's the. Okay. Camera. And I make a wrapper. Oh. Oh, that's the only ones? Oh my god. No! Okay, so it's already this time. Right? It advances. Well, no, it advances the camera on output. Um. Stop coming out of the sandwich. Stay in there. God, it's impossible to see. Is Roblox Dev your only source of income? Yes. All my game passes are gone. What if you look at the old place? They're probably still there. I have never heard of that ever happening. And I don't know any way for Roblox to support you or to give you the game passes. You probably have to take it up with Roblox. You'd probably have to tell Roblox that you lost your game passes, because there's no way for me to give them to you. Roblox doesn't have any sort of thing like that. it would be cool if you add a view model with a karambit knife. The reason that the game doesn't have knives is because I don't have a animation system. Honestly, bro. I think I merged this into one event and call it wormhole or something. I guess I could call it like transform camera. And like it does all this calculation inside. Yeah. Actually, that's a good idea. He said, and then stared at the screen. Okay, no lyrics. Track list. Yeah, it'd be nice if you had 33. Next. So what I want to do is call a function like transform camera, and then it just does all this calculation. Camera out C frame. So like, okay, so camera get C frame, wormhole. Yeah. Okay, so that is absolute. Okay, so this is the transform. So it would be like uh okay, I don't want lyrics. Okay, next mix. They aren't on the new game. They don't have to be. The new game scans the old game and they still work. I had to specifically code that into the game to make the old game passes work. So you're welcome. I am going to need to open the window, otherwise it's going to get too hot. I really need blinds. Okay. So my idea is to put this all into the camera. It's all just like that stuff. All right, so it'll be like No. Wormhole relative C-frame. It's unfortunate, but I kind of have to put C-frames on the... I mean, I could make it a quaternion. You say quaternions? Uh, huh. All right, so if I do this and then it does all this inside the camera, how's that? So camera out, C-frame. Yeah, everything inside the camera. Okay, this doesn't depend on the camera. Okay, that's cool. Okay, camera. Now we go to the camera module. Please, camera module. There it is. And then create transform camera function. So that's part of it. Function transform camera. And then this is no longer a thing. It's just direct. And then same thing here. Okay. Cool. Okay, so now I need this function and that function. I really don't want to rewrite this for... I have to... Oh my god, bro. Okay, okay, stop. Okay, it's alright, I'm just gonna write Do I have a quaternion thing yet? I have the command. Game Pass just doesn't show that I got it. It's a completely different Game Pass on a completely different game. You have the old one, so you can use all the stuff, same stuff that you could. But like, there's no way to transfer it, so that's why I wrote the code to read the old one. Oh. Uh, Amazing. Okay. So now it's this amazing special function. We got assign itan 2. XD and assign. Do I use these at all? I probably do. Yeah. Components. C-frame. Okay. Oh my god. Get back in the sandwich. Okay. So now it is. Oh, I think I have this in here as well. Oh, it's in here already. Okay, transform a C-frame. Okay, I'm just going to put C-frames on the timeline for now. Period. Really wish I could black out that window. It's really hard to work. I'm pretty sure I have Vec3. Okay, do I just, maybe I just, instead of, yeah. Okay, so if I make a wrap function, wrap. So that wrap function is way down there. It's kind of like these. Okay, so there's wrap run event, and then we'll have function wrap camera event. Is the camera directly in the game mechanics? I think it's in the simulation. All right, so advanced camera. Or wait. I don't even know if I can. Actually, yep. Yeah. Ouch. Oh, yes, I can. Crack my hip. Where's the lerp to? It's right here. Get mouse paws. Oh, so I literally just have a function for that. Okay. So, okay. What the hell code did I just erase?
Is that how it works? Time type value. I don't know. Maybe that'll work. Okay, where's the other one? Let's see what happens. Maybe the camera works now. More likely, it throws an error. Oh my god, I almost shut down BHAP. Guess I'll wait. My desk is disgusting right now. So many crumbs everywhere. I can't believe how messy the sandwich is. God, I hate Roblox for not running. Okay. Game runs. Alright, let's see what happens. Error? Nope. Nothing. It does the thing. Okay, it didn't work with the wormhole. It just... okay. 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 Did it save the volume? It did! Okay, so that's why. That's why it sounds so quiet. Because it was turned down. Stop turning down my stuff, man! Okay, so that doesn't work. Mystery. Oh dear, yeah, it just doesn't work. Hand cam frozen? Amazing. What an incredible piece of technology. What? Yes, the old 2 notes music. No lyrics, please. Next. Okay, so I fixed one thing and broke another. How do I fix it? How do I fix it? Alright, we're gonna turn that down. How's the music volume? Is that good? Alright, so I have this new function called wrap camera event. And it works for that. But it doesn't work for this. Ugh. Transform camera. Wormhole relative C-frame. Ah, that's why. I don't know. Transform is fine. I found out why it doesn't work. It's good? Awesome. I was having audio issues. I found out it's because my microphone was turned down and my speakers were turned down, or my headphones were turned down. That is like not part of my audio workflow, is having everything turned down. Okay, so now everything should work, right? Yeah, it should totally work. Can you imagine? The whole game just works. I'm waiting Roblox. I freaking hate how the sandwich falls apart at the end. Okay. What happens when I go through this? Does it go like... Nope. It just doesn't work. And I think I know why. Yep, found out why. Alright, does the camera roll over? Nope! It simply does not work. Wow. Incredible technology. I don't think I need this one. Is it running? Print. Camera transform. My bet is that it's running, but it's doing nothing. Actually, I think I know why. It's because it's copying. Wait. No, that would work. Never mind. And oh, it's not broken. All right, so in the console, I think it'll say camera transform, but nothing will happen. Oh. Okay, so it's not calling the function. That's a relief, actually. All right, why the hell? Transform, got it. Found the problem. Spelling mistakes, the bane of programming. All right, let's go. Let's go. Camera roll. Okay. And we also, the camera punch still works. If I go like, yes, okay. Ha 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 ha. Is that it for client side stuff? I think I might be ready to move on to the meat of the matter. The whole reason that I made this stuff was so that I could make it desync less. But the desync system isn't set up yet because I've been like making the game work. Transforming! I'm thinking about the star dudes from Super Mario Galaxy. They say transform and they go. You know what I'm talking about, right? Can't hear it. Hold on. It's fine. You get it. Well, very cool. I made the camera work, and it wasn't very hard. In fact, I improved the camera. Instead of there being two different camera events for a wormhole, there's just one now. Very nice. Excellent. Yes. Why is this? Oh no, the zoom doesn't work. I'm zooming. I thought it would just work, man. No. Why doesn't it work? Right. Okay, so it doesn't work because the camera isn't based on like calling back up the call chain anymore. How am I going to make the zoom work? Subscribe at tier 1. What's tier 1? Is that like normal? Why do you subscribe? Do you like seeing me program? That's probably why, isn't it? I hope I can publish the update soon. It's like I've kind of like rewritten it enough, you know? Yeah, it's very satisfying. Aegeans. Mechnor. We got 3 subscribers in 30 seconds. Amazing. Thank you guys. I don't think it, do you remember the last time my stream title was Twitch gave me $189 or something? I don't think I've gotten any money from Twitch since then. I'm sure it's just building up and collecting. Oh, the game mechanics works, except for zoom. Zoom is very important. I need zoom. But but what? Just write it. Write zoom. I just want to play the game, man. I sub for the sound effects. I do a lot of my own sound effects, don't I? Alright, we're going to this map. Okay. Oh no, I hate this map. Okay, next map. Oh. I remember this. I remember grinding this map for like a 13-second time or something. There's crumbs on my mouse pad. I'm gonna scream. Wait. It's so hard to see. There's like, look at the sun on my face. Like the glare is insane on the screen. And this is like a dark map. Like, look at this. Can you see this? Hold on. I gotta. Oh no, you can't because that camera isn't functioning. Thank you, technology. Okay, whatever. Like you get it. It's really bright here. And there's crumbs on my mouse pad. Quad RDC vlog? Oh my god. I don't know, I don't really like leaving my house. It's not my jam. Bro, stop! Crumbs on the mouse pad. Impossible. Wow. Wow. The game works. I made the game work. I can't do zoom though. Oh, my back. Okay, how do I do zoom? Ah, what the heck? Okay. Let's go to the code. I literally cannot see my monitors. Okay. Set zooming. So it's a passed down function. Does it even run? Okay, so this is the simulation director. All right, let's see if it even does anything. I'll print out whether or not it does anything. God, I hate the sun, man. Spectate doesn't work. Yes, that is the entire point. Spectate is a lot more than spectate. Spectate is uploading, it's writing events to a timeline, replicating the timeline to the server, reading the events from the timeline, running a server-side simulation, reading events from the server-side simulation, writing events to a timeline from that simulation, replicating that timeline to other players, reading that timeline on the clients, and playing it back smoothly. Like, that is a long list of stuff. And I have to make every single step of that work with the new code structure. So that's going to be a big job next week. Or today. But probably next week. Because I just want to make... I just made the client work. But that entire process... so in the middle there, I said a simulation on the server side. That is the real-time server-side verification. It's built into the replication system. Yeah. Rewriting it again. Well, rewrite. It's more like shuffling things around that already exist. So it won't take as long as writing it for a second time, or a third time, I guess. Recode the entire game? That's what this is. This update, I recoded the entire game. That's exactly what I'm doing. Or rather, that's what I have already done. All this, what's running right now, every single layer of it is remade from scratch. Like, none of the code that runs this physics is shared with the game right now. None of it. Well, that's not true. There's probably like, maybe like 5% of the code. Endless loop, rewrite. True, I'll probably be writing code for like 10 years for B-Hop. Assuming Roblox stays around. I love working on it. My plans and goals for this are to, first of all, publish this update. And then make a new game using this code called Death Run. And then my goal is to create a new game. Okay, no lyrics. Please, no lyrics. What? 47 next. Okay, I think we might be good. No lyrics. Make a game from scratch. So, make my own game engine, basically. Which I pretty much have already done, so I just have to copy my game engine architecture. Bro, that crumbs on my mouse pad just bother me so much. So I will basically have to make a rendering engine, and then everything else I've already made. I have an entire game engine built on top of the Roblox game engine. The tools that I made. What is Death Run going to be about? It's an existing game on Gary's Mod. It's basically a obstacle course with traps that players on the Death's team activate. They try to prevent you from getting to the end of the obstacle course by using the traps built into the whatever map you're playing. And then when you get to the end of the map, usually the maps have a mini game that you play to see who wins the round. I played it more than I played B-Hop when I was in 2014 when I played Garry's Mod. The whole reason I made B-Hop was because I loved playing it on Garry's Mod. But I played Death Run more, so I feel like it'll be a more popular game. We'll probably also have a map system for the game. Okay, what's going on? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh yeah, zooming, right. I was trying to make zooming work. Right, I published a thing. Okay, it says that the event is firing. So it's probably firing in the simulation as well. Camera, okay, so it's firing. It's simply firing a camera function. Everything in Surf and Be Up is custom, like physics, etc. Yes, everything. Well, there's one piece of the code that's not custom, and that is the find parts in region function that uses the built-in Roblox thing to find nearby objects to collide with in the physics. That is relying on Roblox, but like I could write an octree search. I could write an indexer and everything. It's not a big problem. It's just that the Roblox one is very fast. Okay. Okay, this function I'm just gonna do this. I don't care. Simulation, set zooming. Instead of this, we do and that should do it. Cool. Okay, that should make the camera zoom in. And it follows the code structure better. Instead of like calling an output event that then modifies the input, it modifies the input and then calls the output event in order with a very strict hierarchical structure. Everything is getting better. All right, that should work. Please work. I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, zoom. Hey! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look over there! And the very cool thing about this is, wait, is that true? I know, actually I don't think it is. It's not true. it's not true. No, I can't say this is a cool thing. No. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's like okay, so if I go practice and then I go timescale 0.01, I'm like, and then I go zoom in, zoom. You see how it's delayed? That's what I was thinking. What button you press to zoom? Yeah, it's Z button. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Beautiful. Okay, so watch this. Watch this. If I, I'm not gonna make it. All right, so if I'm running in mega slow motion, I think I'm gonna use the fly camera. Okay, so if I'm running in mega slow motion, time scale 0.01. So there's only, oh my god. Okay, so there's only a new frame every 1 second at this scale. So I'm headed for that. I hope I hit it. That thing. So I should. I wonder if I can second person. Okay, so as soon as the side of my torso hits that, it should immediately teleport. Immediate. And that's a feature of, that's just modifying playback speed. Were the sounds always slowed down? No, that's new. Also, sounds are replicated as well. Well, once I have the replication system running again. Cool. Try strafing while zooming in. Yeah, it's hello? Okay, well, that's all of the features, right? The client is now fully functional, and I need to just hook up the replication system. This, man, 2 weeks ago, I was not in good shape. Ugh. I was like horrified that the game was so awful to play. But now it's better than ever. Like literally better than ever. I have never had this good of an experience playing my game. Okay, so the way that I imagine something working is just as important to me as how it feels to actually use. So how I imagine my code running and everything adds so much to my experience of playing the game. So I am imagining that like there's all this intricate physics going on with the exact collision detection where it determines the exact time that you hit the end zone, and there's like sub-step stuff running that makes it more accurate than the tick rate. And then there's also the smoothing simulation that makes it feel smoother by running an additional simulation layer at your native screen refresh rate. And it all just comes together to make an amazing experience. Love it. Okay, well, that is, as far as I can tell, that's feature parity, right? With how the game's supposed to be. Is there any missing features for the client? So the next step is to make it replicate. I've only been streaming, I have 2 hours. Oh my god. That's like how long I worked in total on my days last week. I was like not doing so good. I couldn't figure out how to make this. This is what I've made, and I couldn't figure out how to do it. I tried for 2 hours every day. And then this week I figured it out and made it. Changes your sensitivity based on your speed. That's just a strafe optimizer. Like, why not just go further and make you always have perfect strafes? Like, it's kind of dumb. Get good. Play the game. I'm new to the game. Just started playing it and it's really fun. I think more people should be playing it. Honestly, my game is not for everyone. Not everyone can have fun playing B-Hop, especially when you're learning. Like, it's really frustrating not having the dexterity to do the actions that you want. Like, you see someone doing this and you're like, oh my god, that looks fun. But then you go to do it and you can't do it. And it's frustrating. And I think that turns the majority of people away from the game when they see expert level game. I think, well, probably, okay, so probably most people are turned away because they have no idea what they're doing and they don't see expert level gameplay. But then there are people who do see the expert level gameplay and go, oh wow, that looks awesome, I'm gonna try to do that. And then there's people that see it and go, I'll never be able to do that. Yeah, there's a lot of turnaways, points of where people will go, I'm not gonna play this game because the learning curve is very very steep. And it's a very one of the most user unfriendly games. Yeah, my first 2 weeks I was doing half sideways the entire time. Yep, people do that. They'll press W. I try to make it prominent in my tutorials not to press W. I have written so much code, man. And now that it's functioning on the client, it's only a matter of time before I have the replication working again. And then my code will be even better than it was a month ago. And I can try to make bots again. And then if I'm successful at that, I can publish the game. I wonder if I'll have another want to rewrite the code. Maybe. If anything, it would be the networking system. I would make a more well-integrated networking system based on the new concept that pretty much only timelines are for replication, but it's basically already that, where it is just replicating timelines. So I don't know if I'll need to rewrite it. I'll probably need to modify it for bots. Where's the mouse cam? It broke. It'll be back next stream, or if I restarted OBS, it would probably work. But like, actually, why don't I just unplug it and plug it back in and see if it works? Game. Which one is it? There it is. God, it's so hard to see. There we go. Deactivate and reactivate. Is that Windows instructions? Is there even a device manager for webcams? I don't even remember. The audio stream automatically enabled. Ah! Let's take a look at that. Where is Helm? There it is. Oh my god. Do I have the audio open? I don't know. No, I don't. That's just how it is. Webcam. It's plugged into the mic source. Let's see if I can just set it to nothing. Mute audio. I need at least one other device, otherwise my audio does weird stuff. Or maybe it won't anymore, because like this audio server gets updates really often. Did that fix it? Looks like it did. Cool. No, it's in OBS. That's not correct. Oh, you're talking about the camera setting. Deactivate. There is no way to deactivate it. It just hides it. Like, Oh my god, man. This is exactly the structure that I needed for my code. This rewrite is exactly what I needed. I wrote a bunch of stuff just to make it work, and I needed to have a concept of how to organize it, and coming up with that concept was really hard, and that's why I only worked for like 2 hours every day last week, and I finally figured out the concept on my day off, and then I've been writing code using that concept ever since. Let's go to a map. I love maps. Let's do this map. This map's fun, even though it's long. Smooth, delicious coffee. Ow! Oh my god, the insane strafes. Yes, 2 Notes music. A classic. The music of my people. Oh boy. That didn't work. It's so hard to see, man. No! The automation, the hand automation turns off, and then I just fail. My hand knows what to do. That's B-hop for me, is I just watch the screen while my hand plays the game. Ow. Wow, why did I do that? Speed Killer 9000. Okay, yeah. Will you open source your more general abstract modules? Possibly. It depends. Like, its name was thinking it would be a good idea to open source some of the game to just like have people make it for us, but like at the same time, still be able to provide like support and stuff for when the Roblox breaks the game and stuff. I like open source, so if it becomes a sensible option, it'll probably happen. Wow, ugh, did not see that coming. Right now the code is in a single monolithic repository. So probably if, or like when I change it to have multiple repositories, like I'll probably have a core repository. That's the core, basically my game engine. And then I'll have open, where it's open source and people can view and contribute to the code. And those are different modules, maybe Qbox and all the GUIs. And probably a lot of the client modules. And then I'll have proprietary stuff. So all the server like transaction management and stuff probably. I don't know, some of that, and then game specific. I don't know, but like that seems like a good way to organize the code is to have like sub modules. It's very sunny over there. How come people? Okay, that's probably why I stream weird hours. So that's probably why I get viewers that are not from around where I live. Oh my god, it's so hard to see. The sun has crazy glare. Where am I? It's Vancouver, Canada. It's kind of weird. I had to double check that in my head. I'm like, where do I live? This stage is much easier to see. Very bright. I think I turned my monitor up to full brightness. No! No! Oh man, I'm so excited for Samsung to come out with new monitors. I saw the Samsung G8. I'm like, that's my new monitor. Like, I'm sorry, wallet, but I require that monitor. It's 4K and 240 FPS with HDR, 2000 nits brightness. That's gonna be an indoor sun. Oh my god. Artificial sun. But it's curved. And so that's kind of like the biggest downside for me. I don't really want to use a curved monitor, but I will try it because every single other feature, it's 4K, 240 hertz, 10-bit, HDR, and it's like huge. It's like 34 inches, and it's probably going to be pretty good for the price. Or the price is probably going to be pretty good for the insane specs. I think it's supposed to be like $2,000, which, I mean, I would pay like $3,000 for that. I literally just cannot see. Yeah, no, I can't see. I can't see. There's this bright version, blurry version of myself in the screen. It's just a giant glare. Oh my god, it's so long. Ugh. This is so responsive. The game responds. I have it coded so that it responds immediately. Oh, that's a checkpoint. I didn't know that. It responds immediately. Why can't I change sensitivity? Can you not? Sends 0.1. Uh-oh. Oh, I know why. It's because the sensitivity events aren't hooked up. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. That's a missing feature. I should do that before I end the stream. Make the sensitivity work. Ah! Why didn't I go on top? What else? What else? What else? What other technology am I excited for? I'm probably going to end up buying a new graphics card, probably NVIDIA. If they don't have an AV1 encoder, I will probably not buy it though. Like I will be basically just buying it for the AV1 encoder. What else though? Oh yeah, I would want a little bit more AI performance because I'm like running AI video interpolation. But that's basically it. Like I'm really happy with these graphics cards. I just want like AV1 encoding because that's fun. Optic on YouTube said a long time ago, only asking because people already DPI shift to do pretty much exactly that on maps like Lonely Road. Well, that makes sense. This looks hella complicated. You just mean the map? This is a really long map. It's really fun. It's quite relaxing to play. It's so hard to see in the sunlight. I cannot tell where I am here. Okay. I think this is a checkpoint. I hope it's a checkpoint. It's a checkpoint. Awesome. Easy. Oh! I didn't hit that. Ah! I was just remembering. I could not see. Okay. That was memory. Okay. Up, 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 up. Okay, let's go, baby. This, I really wish I could see because I'm very happy with this interpolation simulation code, or it's rather I've been calling it a smoothing simulation. I think I'm gonna go into practice mode. Practice. And there, that's why, wait, does the fly mode not work anymore? Oh, no, it does work. Oh, okay. What was I about to say? And that's why what? Oh my god. I literally cannot see. Does setting self to nil effectively destroy a class, or is it only setting it as a variable? It's a implicit local variable within member functions that you define with a colon. I want to be up there. Okay. No, so it will not destroy the class. It's automatically populated. It acts as a normal local variable, but it's automatically set. That's pretty much the only difference, is that it's automatically set. I literally just cannot see. This is so close to my vision of perfect B-hop. I'm so happy with all the work that I've done. Like, it needs spectate and like really good bots, and then like, that's it. It's like up there. My ideas for the past, I guess, 8 years, 7 years, 8 years, 7 years, 2015 to 2022, have basically been dreaming of making this game. And then I was like, wait a second, I know how to work now. I could just make the game. And then I did. I made the game. So good, man. No! You know what's going to happen before it happens because the physics is so predictable. It's so deterministic and reliable that, like, so good. Uh-oh. Oh, I made it. No! Yes! Woohoo! Let's go, baby. Oi! This game is easy. Wait, what? There's no way that... What? There's no way that's not a spawn. What are you talking about? Like that... That's not a spawn? You're kidding! Do I just always one-shot that? I guess I just always one-shot it without thinking about it. Like, it's not that hard. Yeah, that's, I mean, I guess that's why. It's because I always just one-shot that. And, okay. Will you be creating a game in UE5? I will not be creating a bhop game in UE5. If I create a standalone bhop game, I'll be making my own custom game engine. So I'll be like a toy engine so that I can mess with like ray tracing and stuff. Because that sounds like a lot of fun to me, ray tracing. Ah! Oof! So I'll make like a really basic renderer that like looks like Roblox, and then I'll basically play with ray tracing. bhop RTX, except generic Vulkan ray tracing. Ah, oh, so many platforms. Oh! Make your own renderer too? Yeah. I think about it like occasionally. Occasionally I have ideas for rendering optimization, even though I've never written a... Okay, why is that so far? Even though I've never written a renderer. Okay, okay, just kill your speed. Good idea. Where is it? There it is. Okay. 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 I missed. Save lock. When am I gonna make that? I think with all of the new code that I've written in the past like 4 months or so, it'll be even better. Okay, so let's see. Cool. Okay, so these are different parts, and I'm surfing flush to the surface, and I'm not getting bumped into the air. I remember when there was a bug like that. I have no idea what was causing that bug. but like I'm really glad that it's gone. I made it. That was pro. So these cylinders used to obstruct your progress. That was a problem when the map. I wonder why they never tested it. Would not be hard to create with the current physics system. I had a working version like was it 8 months ago? Although it wasn't working well, a newer implementation would probably function much better. It's like comparing the old spectate to the new spectate, where like there's a bunch of glitches in the old spectate. Whereas with, oh my god, I don't think I was supposed to jump on that. No way, bro! You're kidding. I'm not doing that again. I can't see. What was the update on main for save lock? Nope. There's an announcement in the Beehive Discord. You saw the you noticed that it was updated before you saw the announcement? Oh my god, it's so hard to see. No. I can't like see a platform before I jump on it a lot of the time. So I have to just like randomly target. Ah! Free miners. What's wrong with miners? Oof. You're right that task tools will be much easier to make with all the new code and the new physics. I will probably be able to make like some of the best task tools ever made. Like unironically. No. Like as the code is right now, I could record everything that goes on in the game and make a replay file. And like that is kind of the sign of incredible code, is being able to like run slow motion on the whole game and be able to make a replay of the entire game, all the players and everything that they're doing. I think those are some hallmarks of amazing code for games. What's your favorite food? Do I even have a favorite food? Oh, cheese. That's easy. I just can't see. It's too bright. The sun is in my eyes. Turn off the sun. Oh my god, my silhouetted face. Oh my, okay, if I go slow, I might be able to do it. Oh! Let's go, baby. So accurate. The physics is so accurate. So it enables skilled players to play the game. Oof, oof. Good choice. What kind of cheese? Let's see. I like Gouda. Avarti. I like brie cheese I like as a melted snack. I just don't know where I'm going. Okay, well there we go. This is amazing. This code runs amazing. I'm really happy with the simulation smoothing layer. It's better than what I had before, which was an extrapolation layer, where it would predict what position you were going to arrive at based on your current physics conditions, like the position, velocity, acceleration. It would extend the arc of your curve, of your current trajectory, to predict where you will end up. However, the simulation smoothing actually simulates what's going to happen up a sub-step to the new frame. So like if you hit a wall in the middle of simulation tick, the sub-step will hit the wall and stop you moving, but the extrapolation, you would just extrapolate into the wall. It's not like context aware. So it looks less glitchy, at least at this sort of frame rate. But like, I mean, the other one would look even more glitchy at a lower frame rate, so. Timeout hero for asking stupid questions? Okay, no. Will people be able to load their own bots? That feature will not come with the update. No. But the abstraction and tools I've created for bots should make that a much easier update in the future whenever I decide to do that. Oh my god. Yeah, the bots are so much more modular. It's like not even funny. Like basically I grab the player's timelines and I say record, and then it's recording. It's actually insane. Where do I go? Do I go up there? Okay. Okay. I cannot see. Okay. So, loading your own bot, that feature I would call, oh, I actually don't have a, something to say. What would I call that feature? What? I don't remember. I had a something to call it. Personal bots. That's what it's called. So that would be your keyword. You can ask about it like after the update. You can say when personal bots. Okay, that's a thick. Oh my. Okay, I did it. But I do plan to add that as a monetized feature because like it requires storage space, so it's not free for everyone to have all their bots saved. So I need to make it so that you have to pay to save your bots, and you'll have like storage space, and then you'll manage your storage space. I think I'll measure storage space in like minutes or seconds or something. Probably minutes. So like bot minutes. And the bitrate of the bots actually will be more consistent because I will not be recording the full input timeline at your native monitor refresh rate. It'll all be downsampled to... Why did I go for that? That was dumb. It'll all be downsampled to 100 hertz, the simulation tick rate. So the bot frame rate should be very consistent. Unless you find some sort of exploit that makes it take a lot more storage space, which is entirely possible. I expect lots of problems. The game will probably be cheater free for like a month or two, which will be neat. But I think I'll have a arms race with cheaters using my new tools to cheat. People will find some exploits in the new game code. There'll probably be some pretty bad ones as well. Why not just only the top 5 bots like it is currently? I wonder if I should make... So I was planning on making it so you can privately view bots. But I'm wondering if I should monetize that? No, that doesn't... I don't want to. No. I think you should be able to load bots if they exist. If your friend is paying for bot storage space and they say, look at my bot, then you should be able to load it. So if I find an exploit, I won't tell anyone, and I will cheat all my world records and make them look normal. Great game plan. That's how to be #1. That's what it takes. You need that kind of resolve in order to be #1 in anything. No. Ah! Oh my god. Why did I turn like that? Oh my god. Okay, easy, right? Yeah, easy. Aha. Well, these parts, you don't really... Okay, you don't really fall off, he said, as he falls off. We don't fail these. Oh dear. Okay, there's this now. Oh my god. Being able to see is like really nice for jumping on squares. Oh cool, I made it. No practice mode needed. Except I've used it several times. Okay. Oh, yeah, I don't care. I just want to go up. My code structure. My highly structured code. Can you double jump those? I don't know. I can't tell what's going on. I think I was double jumping them there. No! Wait, you have to go all the way back? Okay. I'll just go from here. Oof. I want to read the chat. I want to read the chat. Oh yeah, I can do this. There's a picture of both of them standing beside each other. Who is both of them? Who do you think would win in a fist fight? Why don't you plug the stream in game anymore? It's because I get enough viewers, really. 20 people watching? See? I don't need to plug the stream in the game. Predicting a function to simulating a function. Yeah. Yeah, so it's like continuing the parabolic trajectory versus advancing the simulation and like actually running a simulation instead of yeah, exactly correct. Scrolling down, snapped like a twig. How do you think I got rank 1 in Surf? Exactly. By having user blacklisted. Stoddy paid to blacklist user. Exposed. All right. Oh, I almost had it. All right, I'll start here. Nope. I want to start here. I can see a little bit better now. He said. My excuse is gone now. I said I could see. Oh, how do I? Okay. Yes. Oh! Oh! Okay. No, man. Oh, come on. Alright, we gotta hit this twice, 3 times. Oh, let's go with twice. So, one thing I've always hated about B-Hop is it feels 100 hertzy. I should be able to do some advanced mathematics and write math to do sub-step strafing. So like I said that there's a smoothing simulation, but the problem is that it's running real ticks, and if your frame rate is like 400 FPS, then that's 400 tick. So it'll look weird because it'll be like running too many ticks, if that makes sense. So what I want to be able to do is run a like half strafe or like a quarter strafe, and then it'll look even smoother than this looks. Like if you guys join this game, it's like responsive, smooth, and amazing. So my 700 FPS game won't look bad anymore. It's alright. Like it's already it's got the extrapolation to try to make it look smooth. But now it has a real smoothing simulation. Problem is it's running on the same thread. I need to like make a threading system using the new Roblox multi-threading, and then run the real simulation on an off thread and run the main simulation on the main thread, or the frame rate simulation, the smoothing simulation on the main thread, and then run all the GUIs on an off thread, and run all the other players moving around on an off thread, so that like the minimum amount of work for a smooth looking game is running on the main thread. Roblox got multi-threading a month ago, I think. 1 or 2 months ago. It's dumb. It's super dumb. Like, it's hard to use. It's doesn't make sense. Like, they could have just made it like coroutines, except it spawns a new thread. But they decided, we're going to make it like a model. Like, what? I want to spectate, man. No, I broke the spectate. No, I want to spectate. Connect parallel. I haven't played B-Up in a while because I suck. I know a great way to fix that. Play the game! Hello. Non-toxic. Whoa, that's cool. I can't do that. Yeah, I have a lot of experience playing the game. Well, what did I need to fix? It was the sensitivity. Oh, I don't want to do it, man. I'm gonna get a glass of apple juice, and then I'll definitely do it for sure. Free cam doesn't work. This guy's in for a surprise. Guys, he's cheating. He's cheating. He's coming up the stairs. Cheater. Nah, I'm just really good at the game. You can tell because of the way I jump on squares. Will games see performance gains in the future? I don't know. It's actually running a lot more code. It might be, well, no, because it's like more code, but I am like maintaining it better, so it's more efficient. Like I added a bulk move feature to the players and moving platforms. I should probably just add it to the main game. Does it actually work? I don't think it does work anymore. Game feels amazing. Once again, I'm ecstatic. Quarter 3 stare. All right. It's time to get back to work. I gotta make the sensitivity work. There is a set sensitivity function. Okay. Here's the problem. All right, one-click fix. Ready? Boom. Fixed. Next problem. did not expect that to be so easy. All right. Sends 6. Easy. This game is so easy. Okay, developing this game, man. The features that people actually want. I spend like 4 months writing some crazy back-end tools, and then people are like, you should add this, and then I like write 2 lines of code using those tools that I created that makes the feature that they want. That's a pattern. What was the update for on the main game? You're not in the Discord, are you? I added vertical sensitivity. I guess I should add it here as well, shouldn't I? All right, so what did I do today here? I basically made the camera work. Sick. Okay. Vertical sensitivity multiplier. Let's copy this code. Actually, can I like cherry pick? How does that work? Can I do this? I think it'll work. Is it? Yeah. No. I just. How does this work? That was so easy! Okay, and now I do... now I have to find the... send small. So I just look for auto restart then. Auto restart. Find. Hey, it's right there. And then I just paste this in. You're done. New feature. Oh, it's above in the other code. Oh, it should be right here. Oh, that's right, because there's zoom. Okay. All right. That's not correct, actually. Yes. Implicit set vsends mul value. That is not correct. Okay, so yeah, okay. And then now I need to penetrate the depths. Grab it. Grab it. He's coming up the stairs. Okay, this is called vsends mul. Yes, sir. Okay, and then when does the data man work on the date again? Friday is when he is off from work, but he has not promised to do any work this week. He promised to do work last week though, so he'll probably do work this week. He's been setting up his home lab with the like everything. Okay, so then that's the simulation director. Now we need the simulation, so it's the same thing, set sensitivity, but it's set vsends mul. And then I have to make that into a camera event, custom camera, sensitivity. Oh my god. I have to do a bunch of coding here. There's a lot more layers to the new code. All right, and then there's set sensitivity. Yes, there is. So now I need set. Send small. And then I allow it through the firewall. Resend small. Is that it? No. I need to actually edit the real thing that does the real damage. Coefficient times camera dot resend small. There we go. Fast A only. Custom styles, my guy. Once there's custom styles, you can you'll be able to make your own styles. It'll be awesome. Add an infinite jump feature. What, like legit mode, and every time you tap the spacebar, it makes you go up? I could do that. I mean, problem with that is it would need a cooldown, I guess. Why divide? That's because that's the number I chose for the old game. I tried to pick a number where default mice with default Roblox sensitivity with default FOV would have a... I should have made this default sensitivity 0. I should have made it 1 instead of whatever it is, 0.3. I just tried to pick a good number. I can't remember what it is. I think it's like 360 times 64 or something. Please do make it 1. The default sensitivity? I would have to change everyone's sensitivity to do that. But, I mean, I guess it's not a big deal if it's an entire game update. What's the number? That number... So I could make it that. What is this number? Is it 360 times 64 or something? 32. There you go. It's 360 times 32. That's the number. Woo! Oh, it's 64 times 180. So... So basically, I just got rid of the degreeness of FOV by dividing by like 360, and then I just chose powers of 2 until it did something. Makes doing the math to convert sense to source not fun. I mean, you already know the math though, don't you? I don't want to just copy source sensitivity. That's dumb. Did I do it? Is there... What did I add? Oh yeah, vsend small. Okay, so I have this. I got the stuff in the camera. I put it in the simulation. I put it in the simulation director. I put it in the player settings. Data proxy. Yeah, baby. That should be it. Let's see if it works. All right, we should have vertical sensitivity now. Set the jump state on the ground. I'm not arguing about the implementation. I'm arguing like... What's this? Index nil, the VSense small, camera 71. Custom camera. Oh, there it is. It's self, not camera. Wah. Okay, so we got vSend small 0.1. It's working. It's working. 34 viewers when he was reviewing maps. Did I? vSend small 1. Alright, well now you can set your vertical sensitivity in the new game as well. It's gonna be such a nightmare to merge. Maybe I should just cherry pick. Is that a new place or a new room? Is 20 your record viewers? I don't remember. I've definitely had more than 20. Oh, this is so nice to play. What do you guys think? This is like really nice, isn't it? It plays really nice. Is it just me or is the sensitivity weird? Oh, it's probably because it's not 0.3, right? Oh, well, maybe I was setting it for me. I want to get world records in fast. It's actually not that easy. People are very good at fast mode. Very smooth. Very good. I don't know what type of game this is. This is a jumping and strafing game. You go like this. Nope. You go like this. See how I'm jumping on the castle struts? What do you call these things? They're like castle bumps. So like I can also miss and go like that. But I don't miss. Not me. I don't miss. There's boosters. Whee! Whee! Let's go to a map. We already went to Grosy. Let's go to Chrome, the map. Ooh. Okay. Next. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh! Oh, you're loud. Where do I go? I probably have to go up to the very top, don't I? What is that? Oh, it's a light. Oh. This is like not a Not a route map. How do I change vertical sense? V-sense. Or V-sense mul. They mean different things. Oh my god. No way, bro. Some crappy exploitative RP game is guaranteed to perform better. I don't disagree. This game is not for everyone. This is a skilled movement game. You have to practice to get good at playing this game. So most people, oh my god, most people will not want to play it because you're not good at the game at the very beginning. You have to actually practice and get good at the game. Oof, made it. Oh, ah! Oh, that, oh. Is that even the way to go? Where do you have to go? Like, oh no! I fell. Oh, that's the exit. Ah, so I have to touch and then exit. I remember this being like really confusing to map test. Okay, is that a real? Okay, I have to go up. Up? What? You actually have to be you do be doing some crazy stuff. So you have to go over there? Oh my god. All the way around. Okay. I just have to gain speed here. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, so there's the exit. Can I make that jump? No, I cannot. I have to make... Okay. I think I can... Okay. This gameplay with the music kind of goes together. Oh, it's the finish! It's the finish, guys! Oi, you finished the map! 337. Don't have an animation system. My plan sort of for not... Okay, I have to close the window now. It's getting colder. My plan. My plan for Knives is to try to hijack the Roblox animation system. And just use that. I don't know if it's possible with anchored characters though, because like the humanoids in my game are anchored. Lua is fun. Programming is fun. What time is it? How long did it take you to create both Surf and Bhop? I'll let you in a little secret. Surf is a copy paste job. It's literally the Bhop code copied and pasted, and I set the gravity to half. It's Bhop with half gravity. Basically, in 2015, I made Bhop in a couple weeks, and it was just a physics demo basically. And then over the next few years, I added all of the accompanying stuff around it, like leaderboards, GUIs, the HUD, the player lists, the ranks. All of that stuff is what makes B-Hop, right? It's not, oh my god. It's not just a physics system. The physics system is the foundation. It's the core of the game. How do you... Okay, so this... I walk smoothly over this, but if I... Oh, okay, apparently I don't walk smoothly over... Okay, I lied. Never mind. I was going to make a demo, but... What was I saying? How long does it take to create B-Hop and Surf? Yeah, so it's basically a continuous process. I'm rewriting the game now, and it's... So far, I'm a year in to rewriting the game. But the goal is to make it better. So in order to make a game better than B-Hop and Surf, it's taking me a year so far. This is the game right here. Ah, no! Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you know who the first surf god was? Let's see if I can search for it. God Hopper. No messages found. Well, I didn't write to my friends about it. Let's see. God Hopper. Game? Hello? It's called God Hopper. No, it's actually God Hopper. Only one person has God Hopper. Half God means nothing. Ranks are broken lol. 2016. Who is the best Roblox B-Hopper in your opinion? Honestly, I don't really keep track. I basically try to get everything else out of the way so that I only have to worry about writing the game code. So I don't do moderation. I don't give awards or something. I don't know. I don't pay a ton of attention to who's playing the game and who's doing good, who's doing bad. I just try to make the game and listen to people who tell me about it. Are you insane? Why am I in third person? Let's go. B-Hop in third person? No way. No way. Actual? Is this real? Ah! Ooh. It's so hard. His strafes are the best. Yeah. Laughable Twisty has the mathematically best strafes out of everyone in the game, according to the anti-cheat. Being number one is always sussy. You gotta make you gotta go the distance to be number one. And for some people, going the distance means cheating. Oh no, I always forget! Oh. Okay, let's go, baby! Okay, wait, I could've... Wait, how do I... Oh, I see. So it makes you go down. That's cringe. Today, the code gets longer. Today I made all the features work. Excuse me, all the where am I going? Single player features. So like the camera punch, flying, sensitivity, zooming. I made everything function today. So I've reached feature parity with, oh my god, with the state of the game before I changed the code structure, at least for single player. Let's go. I'm fast. As fast as they get. Which way? Oh, I have to, okay. Okay. That's not the way to go, okay. Wait, is that the only way? I'm confused. Oh my god! I found it, okay. No! Okay. Wait, can you do that? No? Okay. What? How are you? Okay, over there. I don't know why I killed my speed there. I improved my time by a full minute. Cool, so today is the day we celebrate code parity with the new code structure. Or feature parity. When it comes to single player mechanics. So next week will be me rewiring the replication and spectate code using the existing code structures, but oh, you can go this way too. But shuffling it around so that it oh my god, that was a long jump. So that it does what I want. Can I stand here? I can. How do I get third person? It won't stay in the game probably, but you can do press 2 and do show me. It's not meant to be a feature. It only works wait, why does it work? Oh, am I using mode C-frame? View module. I'm using mode C-frame. I mean, I guess there's no harm. If you know how to change your mode, I guess that's fine. Quads code is going to be longer than Minecraft code? That would be hard to do, because now that Microsoft is writing that game. Oh god, that's a lot of code. Yes, there is a lot of code in this game. There's a lot of game code. I have things like an entire computer algebra system with derivatives and rules, quaternions, and logic, and vectors. Vector 3, vector 2, yada yada. Okay, what was I looking at? Oh yeah, it was the mode. Where did the view module go? Oh, I guess I closed it. Cool. Okay, so I added the vsens mul to the new physics and the old physics, and I reached feature parity with the game code before. Why does the character go invisible when it's paused? I don't know. It's not, I mean, it's not meant to be visible in the first place. Please keep third person. It looks cool. Well, there's problems with it, and I don't really feel like fixing them. The reason that the game didn't have third person in the first place is because I didn't want people learning to play the game in third person. I didn't want them switching to third person and learning to b-hop in third person, because I thought that was cringe in 2015. So that's why I never added a third person mode. This is only possible because the code is extremely modular. I accidentally made a third person mode by just making better code. That's, yeah, the truth. Okay. Is there any other maps? I just want to play maps. The map. Oh, it's this map. What? Okay. Why does your game look so good? It's Roblox's new lighting. And it's max graphics. Oh my god. Oh, no! Unfortunately, spectate does not work. I'll be trying to fix it tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, next week. Oh, you can jump on that? Oh my god. Is that not a headbang? Ah, I went too far. You have to strafe your face off to make this. If you're not strafing, you're not gonna make it. If you don't have like almost perfect strafes. Wait. Uh-oh. I don't think I can make that. Your arm is like a robot. Yeah, that's what 7 years of B-Hop will do to you. 8 years. Can I go this way? No, I can't. I don't have enough speed. This game is so easy, man. So easy, man. Ta-da! Oh, back crack. Eight years. Yeah, I played Gary's mod in 2015, and then I was like, I love this game, and I made my own B-Hop game in 2015. So 2014 was when I started B-Hopping. It might have been 2013, probably 2014 though. So yeah, 8 years of B-Hop. Not constant though. I took long breaks from the game. I am this good right now because I have been developing the game update constantly, and I have to test it constantly. So I've been playing constantly for like about a year. So this is more like a year of B-Hop with 8 years of experience. A year of B-Hop practice will get you about here. And if you're talented, you can probably be a world record holder within a year. Probably more like 6 months if you really try very hard. It is Roblox chat. What do you mean it is Roblox chat? Custom. Oh, add old chat. Stop saying Roblox's fault. It's not. I don't remember that message. Still have the message in my inbox? I don't know. I have like 10,000 messages on my inbox. My first live stream on YouTube was reading Roblox messages. I stopped doing that. Maybe I'll do it after I have more, after like, what the heck? After, I don't know. I don't really want to, to be honest. Why is there platforms over there? Wait, what? Wait, one way. Oh! Ah, you need more speed for that. Do you use Roho? No. It's my own thing. It's made by my database developer. It's a name, VM Science on Roblox. What? How is that? Do you just what? I love the reset. It's cool. I don't know why it doesn't work the first time, but it's okay. I stole this code from another game that I made, Area 51. Is he selling it? I mean, you could ask. What were we talking about? Oh, the uploader tool. Selling it would kind of imply like proper maintenance, and I don't think he wants to do that. But I mean, I guess he does have to just maintain it for me anyways, so. Do you dev Roblox full time? Yeah. I don't have any other source of income, which is not the greatest. I would prefer multiple sources of income, which is why I intend to make a Death Run game on Roblox, and then I intend to make a standalone game that is just the same thing as the games I've already made, B-Hop and Surf and Death Run. Basically, I'll remake Gary's mod from scratch. Gary's mod is based off Source Engine, but I'm basically gonna make Gary's mod from scratch. No! At least that's my intention right now. Maybe I'll have a life-changing event and I'll be like, oh cool, I can make money like this, and I'll just sit in a chair all day and do nothing instead of sitting in a chair all day and develop. No. Bust. Is the VOD still up for that? You have to search my streams playlist. It's unlisted, but the playlist is public, so you can just scroll through all the streams that I've ever streamed. Make a B-Hop simulator. Yeah, I guess what I mean is more like remake the B-Hop part of Gary's mod. Gary's mod is a lot more than just B-Hop though. Great. I made the game run and it runs great. 200 frames. What's the CPU like? What's the CPU usage on this? Roblox. Oh, there's 2 Roblox processes running. I wonder which one is the real one. What happens if I kill this one? It's gone. Cool. 100% CPU. 115. But it's all spread out over a bunch of cores, which is cool. Oh my god, I love how the okay, so the GUI, the velocity on the GUI is using the smoothing simulation now. So it's a simulated value rather than an interpolated value. It still will be an interpolated value for spectating though. But like, what are you gonna do? Sue me? But like for your client, it should be basically exact. Well, I mean, it's a smoothing simulation on top of the 100 hertz simulation. Okay, well, OBS just crashed. That was kind of cool. Anyways, the yeah, simulation, it's not technically exactly correct, I suppose, but like it's gonna be even nicer than it's ever been before, so that's cool. Yeah, do I end the stream there? How long have I been streaming? What does YouTube say? Live for almost 4 hours. I did code more today. Okay, so now I write to myself. On Monday, I'm going to hook up replication with new code structure. That'll be a big job. That'll be probably all next week. I'll be working on hooking up replication again. Seems like every month I rewrite replication now. It's been the past, like, I've rewritten it. This will be the 3rd time. But it's for a good cause. It's to make it better. Yeah. Ooh, I haven't skipped that before. No! I had that. Okay. I'm like not depressed anymore because my game actually feels good to play. Like 2 weeks ago, or like last week even, when I just jump on my game and it's like shaking you all over the place. It's like, oh, my game, it's bad. And like I know that's not the final product, but like, oh, it just sucks to play. I love playing my game, and when it sucks to play and I can't like play a good version of it, it just sucks. So I mean, this is sort of an in-between period now where it works nicely. Like it'll stop working again when I re-enable the real-time verification stuff, but I remade it in order to make that better. So I'm at the good part right now, where my ideas are flourishing. I'm filling in the blanks. I've completely made everything that's client side work again. As far as I know. Do you guys know of anything that's client side that doesn't work? I think everything is working. So next week will be rewiring, making spectate work again, and then hopefully the determinism of the event chain code structure makes it so that it desyncs significantly less, and then I can make the resynchronization code work better. And oh, actually I have to rewrite the resynchronization altogether. That's a good thing. I have to like track the state with a custom. Actually, no, it doesn't need to be custom. It can just use the existing systems. That's really cool. It's so modular. I can just go like attach the thing. Oh, it's working. That's the experience. That's how what I've experienced this week. I've experienced it multiple times where like I'm just like plugging things in all over the place, and my game is just springing to life. All the code modules that are already working, just making them work again with slight changes to the way that the code interacts. So, end of this week's streaming bonanza. I'll be back again on Monday with a cheerful smile with my game working. Ah, it's working! It's not shaking! And I'll break everything! Except it'll be slightly less broken. You can just see me jumping. I am moving my hand. Hopefully it works. Yeah.